Hey, good morning. This is the 2021 Honda Civic LX in black that you had inquired about. It is here and available. Just wanted to give you a quick video overview of the car and some of the things that are new. Of course, if you have additional questions, please feel free to give me a shout. I'd be happy to get you additional videos or photos or answer any questions that you have. On the inside, of course, the Civic has power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It is a manually adjusting driver's seat. It does have a height adjustment. New is the Honda sensing features, which are the lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, collision avoidance, and adaptive cruise control. And that is standard on every Civic now. We have radio controls and Bluetooth phone controls on the steering wheel. Of course, this one is brand new. It has 11 miles on it. They all have the outside temperature display in the multi-information screen there, as well as various things that can be selected and displayed up top to give you a little bit more information like range, miles, and fuel. They all have a Bluetooth enabled radio. Backup cameras displayed there when the car's put in reverse. And they all have an automatic climate control set to a comfortable temperature, and it'll maintain it for you. Again, it's Greg here at Antrim Honda. If you have any questions, or I can get you any more information on this Civic or anything different, please let me know. You can reach me at 717-597-6708.